Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Ashwini Dikshit. I create fashion, beauty and lifestyle content, and if you like the sound of it, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So today we're gonna be jumping right into the topic, which is footwear essentials. Yes, you heard me right. I feel somehow we think everything is important when it comes to footwear, or we just end up buying but we don't know how to style them. So I'm going to be giving you guys a few tips while I talk about footwear essentials. So let's jump right into the video. Guys, before we get started with the video, I just wanted to mention one thing. You need not buy the most expensive ones. These are just must-haves and the styles are evergreen. The main focus in this video is the style of the footwear and not the brand. So keeping that in mind, I would like to say that you can just pick up the same style that I'm going to be showing, but from the brands that you are comfortable with. Okay, let's begin with flats. The first one that I have is this black one with some bling, some rhinestones on it. I picked it up last year. Every time I went out, I was pretty much drawn towards this, and I pretty much wore it with everything possible, from Indian wear to Western wear, everything, because I feel this adds an edge to your outfit, and these are super comfortable. Next up we have this golden kolhapuri. According to me, it's a must-have because I feel this matches all your outfits, from Indian wear to Western wear. Yes, you heard me right, Western wear too. I'm gonna drop an image here, so just check it out. Here's a small tip. If you're someone who likes this, or if you're someone who wants to buy it, the thing is, it's only good for summers and winters, honestly, because it tends to skid, so you cannot wear this during rainy season. So this is a bad choice for rainy season, but this looks really pretty on pretty much all your outfits. So I feel especially gold kind of transforms the whole look. So that's the reason why, if you're a beginner and if you want to pick up, if this is going to be your first kolhapuri, your first purchase, then I would say go for a gold one or a silver one, because that will match all your outfits. So pick silver or golden. Next up we have white sneakers. You can never go wrong with white sneakers, and mine are from Adidas Originals. These are the superstars from Adidas Originals. You can, if you're looking for a good pair of white sneakers, then you can always check out H&M, Forever 21. Then even Westside has some amazing collection, so you can check them out, and they are decently priced. But there's something about superstars, they are very comfortable, and these are a classic, so this will never go out of trend. This is not a bad investment. You can always use this, and by the look of it, you can tell how nicely I've used it. It's a bit dusty. It's because this was my first pair of sneakers ever. It holds a very special place in my heart, and yeah, so if you guys want to invest on superstars, I think this is the perfect pair for you. Okay, next up we have these boots. I feel these are a must-have. It's obviously not apt for summer, but Bangalore does get chilly enough to wear boots during winter, so I think this comes super handy when you want to look a little bit chic. This looks very nice when you put on a cozy outfit. These are from H&M. I got this for a steal. Actually, I was planning to buy boots back in the day, but then I was just not happy with the ones that I found. But one fine day, when I was just window shopping at H&M, I found this perfect pair, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna buy this. Then when I checked the price tag, it was for 599 or 500 rupees, and I couldn't believe my eyes, and I knew that I had to buy it, and it was my perfect size, and this was the last piece, so I ended up buying this. I also have another pair which is super lovely. These are from Zara, and the best part is the pearl detailing caught my eye, and I had to pick it up. Moving on to the next pair, this is from Lee Cooper. These heels are not too high. These are block heels. These are very comfortable. Here's a tip: if you are a beginner and if you are someone who finds it very hard to walk in high heels or pointed heels especially, then this is the kind of footwear you need to invest on. Next up are these transparent heels. This was a rage like 2 years back, and I picked it up from Shein, and these are super comfortable. Somehow I can never think of getting rid of them because they pretty much match all my outfits, and even though it's quite worn out, but this I cannot get rid of it because it's like a no-brainer. If you want to style something and if you can't match a nice footwear with your outfit, then definitely go for a transparent one. I have worn it a couple of times. I've worn it a lot actually, no jokes. And this is one pair that you need to invest on. You can find this in Zara, you can find this on Ajio, and for a great deal, so do check it out. Next up we have this basic black pair of heels. It's got a bit of net detailing here, and the heels are a little different as well. These are quite comfortable. I picked this up from Koos. Yeah, and again, this pretty much matches both Western and Indian outfit. That's the reason why I ended up buying this. Next up we have another black pair. This was my first purchase from Steve Madden, and these are really special to me. I think 2 years back for my last birthday I bought this, but let me tell you something, it's not the most comfortable pair ever. It's not that comfortable, but I still love it. But you can always pick up a stiletto like this because these come super handy, and again, this matches all my outfits, like both Western and Indian wear. Next up, and which is pretty much a must-have, are these golden pair of heels. Golden and of course I feel rose gold are super important, and these are the two colors which pretty much match your Indian outfits pretty much. And the main reason why I got this gold pair was for my Indian wear, honestly. And this is quite comfortable. This is again from Steve Madden. Both of these are from Steve Madden. These are comfortable, quite comfortable compared to, you know, the black ones. Let me be honest, heels can never be comfortable after a point of time because they are high and they are not meant to be comfortable, I feel. But these are just, they make you look very classy and, like, you know, very poised, but pretty much none of the heels are comfortable. So I feel gold and rose gold are something which you need to have because they match your outfits really well. I will post a picture of wearing this somewhere here. I have worn it you know, on my Instagram, and I have shared an image of it as well, but I'll anyway be showing it somewhere here. I don't really have a picture of this one, but I wore this for one of my friends' wedding. That was the first time I wore it, and it was quite comfortable. I got a shoe bite, but I think it was because it was new. But these were comfortable, you know. So having a gold and a rose gold pair is a must. Gold or rose gold, okay? But I would say both are a must because these days there are 10,000 tones of gold, so if you have to match up to at least half of them, you will have to invest on a gold or a rose gold pair. Next up we have this colorful pair from Zara. This is quite worn out, but the best part is I've been using it for almost 6 to 7 years now, and I feel Zara heels are super comfortable. Like, you can run around with them, because I can run around with these even though they have like quite a bit of heel. And then we have these babies, these neon babies from Steve Madden. I feel neons are making a comeback, and you need to have a neon you know, pair. Even if it's not this, if you don't want it to be this pointy, you can always opt for kitten heels. Here's a style tip: you can always wear these kind of colors to color block while you're wearing color blocking outfits. These come super handy. I feel these look very edgy and they're so chic, and these are like effortless styling. I call them effortless styling because if you're going to be wearing monotones or say black on black, and you can always add a pop of color which is neon, or like, you know, this orangish red pair, or like this, you know, pastel colored ones, make it a huge difference. That's the reason why I kind of like and say it's a must have. Here's one last tip for you guys. If you don't want to own so many pairs, then be smart while you're purchasing and evaluate it and see if it matches both Western and Indian outfits. That way you can save some bucks and also some space, and you don't have to invest on too many. I would also like to mention one thing. I have been collecting these for years now, and this is not an overnight effort. So yeah, that is it, and I hope you guys enjoyed my footwear collection. And if you guys did, do let me know in the comments below by dropping a heart in the comments, so I'll know that you guys liked it. So this will motivate me to create many more fun content for you guys. Until then, stay safe, take care.